Hello learners and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. In today's video, we are going to deal with the concept of multiplication and division of surds. In the previous video, we have learnt about addition and subtraction of surds. If you are new on my channel and if you haven't watched the previous video, the link of that video I will share here in the description box of this video. So do watch that video before you watch the video on multiplication and division of surds. So while we are multiplying and dividing surds, what rules do we follow? Let's see them with an example question. Supposingly, if I write a number square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Now here the two numbers which are inside the square root sign are different, but yet they will get multiplied and the final answer that we obtain after multiplying them will be square root of 6. Unlike the rule of addition and subtraction, the rule here is different for multiplication. Now supposingly if I have a number square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 10, we can simply write this by multiplying 5 and 10, we will write here square root of 50. Square root of 50 can be further simplified and written as, I will simplify the square root of 50 and I can write this as 25 multiplied by 2. Now 25 being a perfect square number can come outside the square root sign and then we can write this number as 5 square root 2. So the final answer of square root of 5 multiplying square root of 10, we obtain that as 5 square root of 2. Now let's see an example question about division of surds. For understanding the method of division of surds, the example question that I have written here reads 6 square root of 7 divided by 2 square root of 28. Now here what we can do is, since the numerator values are already simplified and square root of 7 is a prime number that cannot be simplified further, we will write that as it is. So it will be written as 6 square root of 7. 28 can be factorized and when we write the factors of 28, we will write this as 4 multiplied by 7 because 28 is 4 times 7, in which 4 is a perfect square number which can be taken outside the square root sign. When we do that, we have to write the numerator as it is, and in the denominator, when this 4 comes outside the square root sign, we will be getting 2 multiplied by 2 square root of 7, which can be further written as 6 square root of 7 divided by 4 square root of 7. Now this 6 and 4 are the fractions that can be simplified and we can write our final answer as 3 square root of 7 divided by 2 square root of 7. Now here square root of 7 and square root of 7 being the similar terms will get cancelled out. The final answer that I will write it as 3 upon 2. So after division of these two numbers in the surds, the final answer that I obtain is 3 upon 2. Let's check out another example question of division of surds which reads as 10 square root of 5 divided by 2 square root of 75. Now in the numerator, the number square root of 5 cannot be factorized further. What we can factorize is square root of 75. On factorization of square root of 75, what I obtain is 10 square root of 5 in numerator as it is. Over here, 2 inside the bracket will be 25 times 3. After that, what I will write is 10 square root of 5. 25 coming out of the square root sign will become 5 and 2 times 5 square root of 3. This is what I have obtained. Now the number I can further simplify and write 10 square root of 5 and 2 5s are 10, 10 square root of 3. Now here both the numbers outside the square root sign are same, so we can cancel them out. They will cancel out each other because 10 divided by 10 is 1 and we obtain the answer as square root of 5 upon square root of 3. This is the simplified answer of the question 10 square root 5 divided by 2 square root 75. This is how we multiply and divide surds that we saw in this video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you few practice questions which will now come on my screen. Pause the video, solve those practice questions and then play the video again to check your answers. I will be sharing here the answers of those practice questions as well. Hope my video helped you to understand the concept of multiplication and division of surds. Keep practicing and stay tuned on my channel for more such mathematical concepts video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any problems, any math concept that you want me to make a video on, do share that in the comments section of this video and I will be coming with yet another concept video on your suggestions. Till then, have a good day and bye bye.